On a particular day, if about 15% of the world's population is celebrating by lighting up the lamp, it must be something really significant. What is it? Diwali, the festival of lights. Triumph of good over evil is what mankind has always celebrated, and that's exactly what Diwali is all about. The word Diwali is derived from the Sanskrit word Deepavali, where Deepa means light and Avali means series. Before we get into the historical significance of this festival, we should know that the lamp you light up during Diwali is also a metaphor for knowledge and consciousness that can drive away the ignorance within you. But how did all this start? We all have heard about King Rama, the personification of all the noble virtues. The life of Rama played a significant role in defining the character of India, so much so that even today, after thousands of years, Rama is still a perfect role model for many. But why, though born in a royal family, Rama's life was full of difficult circumstances, ethical questions, and moral dilemmas? He was exiled to the forest for the 14 years. His wife was abducted by the evil king Ravana. He travels all the way to Lanka for her wages of war. To bring her back. Therein, the circumstances separate them, and he never got to see her again. So, what is so great about his life? The most important point here is no matter how many disasters life threw at him, he conducted himself gracefully, without deviating an inch from his noble virtues. People who are natural seekers of life bow down to this quality of human because he embodies to the principle that our control happens to the outside world may be limited, but what happens inside us can be completely our creation. The day Lord Rama wins the battle against Ravana, who has abducted his wife, is celebrated as Dashera, and the day he returns to his kingdom Ayodhya with his wife Sita after the 14 years of exile is celebrated as Diwali. Diwali, a 5-day festival, is not just about lights but also about delicious sweets, beautiful decoration, fireworks, and most importantly, family and friends gathering to spend time with each other. As Hindu's scripture says it, Vasudev Kutumbakam. The world is one family, irrespective of what you believe in or not believe in. We all strive for one thing, a joyful life. Let us all pray together. Let these lights of Diwali drive away the darkness of suffering in this world. May all beings be happy and free, and may the thoughts, work, and action of my own life contribute in some way to the happiness and freedom of all. Thank you. Happy Diwali.